Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? Completely, this is a profit time, and congratulations everyone to after a very long time all crypto market is wake up, and absolutely my friend. And last month the market cap is not compatible, but this time my friend the Vechain is completely get a profit. So congratulations, not just unique Vechain, all cryptocurrencies is moving up for now. You can see my friend the profit. So definitely you can see here everything is going to be green now. 0.38% my friend Vechain is profit. You can see your Tron is also moving up for now. Congratulations. But we talk about the Vechain price prediction, the Vechain technical analysis, everything about Vechain now in this video. So kindly like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification for more this type informative videos. Please like and subscribe. Alright, my brother, this time you can see here the Vechain price is 0.06 per USD dollar. The price is very cheap. If you have any plan to invest more and this time in Vechain, so I think this will be very good time, because everybody knows this too. At the end of month, every coin is moving upward now. After a very hard research, my friend, I found this brothers to they will moving upward in those days. So absolutely my prediction is going to be right, but if, the price will be increasing now. Let's see holders to what they do, but kindly please my brother, you need to hold. If you starting selling, so they will dumps down, but if you hold, so I hope my brother they will be increasing now. The change occur last 1 hour 0.83%, and you can see your last 24 hours they are lost now, and last 7 days they are already lost now. Just in only in last 1 hour they will get a profit, and you can see my brother this time the 24-hour volume 391 per my friend million, and you can see available supply, so 64 million, and market cap you can see here 4 million, and you can see my friend this time the total supply is 86 million. Congratulations everyone to this time my brother the Vechain will be everything increasing, but definitely my friend. And last my friend month my brother the coin is completely dumps down. Last 7 days, last 24 hours everything is dumps down, but in last 1 hour you can see here they will completely get a profit, and everything is starting moving up for now. So congratulations my brothers, today will moving up for now. Don't miss my friend this chance. I hope my brother the price will be increasing in upcoming days, and last 10 days my friend of the month every coin will move up for now. So I'm 100% sure my brothers to in those days the Vechain will also move up for now. But if you hold, if you starting selling, so they cannot move up for now. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Absolutely this will be very important for all holders now, so please share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching holder. Please like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.